Hello everyone! Today, I am going to teach you on how to import contents from one course to another course and how to change your course back to tiles format. Let's start with how are you going to import contents from one course to another. The first step is you are going to click an empty course. So as you can see, our course is empty. Second, you are going to click the gear icon. Third, under course settings, you are going to click import. Fourth, you are going to choose the course that you wanted to copy from the source. For example, next, you are going to click Jump to Final Step. So wait for it to process. Okay, it's done. Now, by clicking Continue, it will direct you to your course page now containing all the contents from the other course. There you have it. You have copied all the contents from one course to another. You can now edit your course. The next thing that I am going to teach you is how to change your course back to tiles format. A new course may look different from your previous courses. This is called the topics format. To change it into the usual tiles format, just follow these simple steps. Step 1, you are going to open the new course. And since we are here, we are inside the new course, we are just going to proceed to the next step, which is to click the gear icon. Under course settings, you are going to click Edit Course Settings. Under Course Format, look for Format and click the drop-down box beside it. So there are a lot of options. We have single activity format, social format, tiles format, the topics format, and the weekly format. So you are going to choose the tiles format. And you can pick a new icon. So you can pick the color of your tiles. So for example, let's have blue. And you are going to save and display. And there you have it, back to tiles format. So from topic format to tiles format. You can now start editing your topics. That's it. I hope this short video tutorial helped you in importing contents from one course to another and in changing your course back to tiles format. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!